In algebra, expanding brackets is straightforward, but what about going backwards? Taking an expression like x squared plus 5x plus 6 and breaking it back into its original parts. This reverse engineering is called factorising, and it's a powerful tool for solving much bigger problems. We'll focus on monic trinomials, where the expression starts with a simple x squared. The secret is the sum and product method. You're hunting for two magic numbers. These numbers have to multiply to give you the constant term at the end and add to give you the coefficient of x in the middle. Let's take x squared plus 7x plus 10. We need two numbers that multiply to 10 and add to 7. The factors of 10 are 1 and 10, or 2 and 5. 2 plus 5 equals 7. That's our pair. The answer is x plus 2 times x plus 5. You've cracked the code. Now, what about negative signs? The logic is the same. For x squared minus 5x plus 6, the product is positive 6, but the sum is negative 5. This means both our numbers must be negative, so negative 2 and negative 3. The answer? X minus 2 times x minus 3. If the product is negative, like in x squared minus 2x minus 15, you need one positive and one negative factor. The larger factor will take the sign of the middle term, giving you x minus 5 times x plus 3. But before you do any of this, there is one golden rule. Always check for a highest common factor first. An expression like 2x squared plus 10x minus 28 looks intimidating, but notice all the terms are even. Pull out that common factor of 2, and you're left with 2 times x squared plus 5x minus 14, which is now a simple puzzle you already know how to solve. Mastering this isn't just about passing a test, it's about seeing the structure inside the math. When an equation represents the area of a field, factorizing it tells you the expressions for its length and width. It's about turning a puzzle into a solution.